Elementor versus OptimizePress. Which one is the best landing page software? That's the question many marketers and business owners are asking. Both of these tools offer powerful features for building high-converting landing pages, but there are key differences that might sway your decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a surprising alternative that may be a better option for your landing page needs. First, let's start with Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders on the market, known for its drag-and-drop simplicity and extensive design flexibility. It works seamlessly with WordPress, offering a free version with plenty of options, but it's the pro version that really unleashes its full potential. One of its standout features is the visual editor, which lets you see exactly how your page will look as you build it. It also comes with a wide range of pre-designed templates and widgets, making it easy to create a professional-looking page without starting from scratch. Next thing, OptimizePress, on the other hand, is a landing page builder that's more focused on conversion. It's primarily built for marketers looking to create sales funnels, membership sites, and high-converting landing pages. Like Elementor, it integrates with WordPress, but OptimizePress is specifically designed for building pages that drive action. It offers features like A/B testing, countdown timers, and other conversion-focused tools right out of the box. However, it can feel a little more rigid compared to Elementor when it comes to design flexibility. The third thing worth noting is performance. Elementor's performance has improved significantly over the years, but it still can be resource-heavy, especially with larger websites or more complex pages. This might slow down your site's load time, which could negatively affect your SEO and conversions. OptimizePress, while generally lighter, isn't immune to performance issues either, especially with advanced features turned on. So, you'll want to keep an eye on the loading speed with both platforms. The fourth thing is pricing. Elementor's pricing model can be a little tricky. The free version is a great starting point, but you'll need the pro version to unlock advanced features like more templates, advanced widgets, and a theme builder. The pro version starts at around $59 per year, which is reasonable, but it can add up if you're running multiple sites. OptimizePress, on the other hand, has a one-time fee for the core product, but you'll need to pay extra for advanced features like email automation and integrations. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking for something cost-effective for a single landing page. Next thing, customer support. Elementor has a solid reputation for customer support, with a large community of users and plenty of resources like tutorials, forums, and FAQs. The paid version also offers live chat and email support, which can be a lifesaver if you're facing issues. OptimizePress is more limited in this area. Their support is mainly through ticketing, and it might take longer to get the help you need, which can be frustrating if you're on a tight deadline. Now, while both of these tools have their strengths, I've tested a variety of landing page builders myself, and there's one alternative that outperforms both Elementor and OptimizePress for creating high-converting landing pages. It's got all the features you need, but without some of the major drawbacks that come with Elementor's bloated design or OptimizePress's steep learning curve. If you're looking for something that balances ease of use, performance, and customization, and you want to try it risk-free, I've got a link in the description to a free trial that comes with some exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Trust me, you're going to want to check it out. In the end, Elementor and OptimizePress are solid options for building landing pages, but for my money, the alternative I mentioned is the best option for those looking to achieve the goal of creating high-converting landing pages with ease and efficiency. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for your free trial with exclusive perks.